Morning, welcome back to Ainslie News. It's Tuesday, Crypto Tuesday. Crypto gains to continue, our title today. Many digital currency enthusiasts have been focusing on crypto markets as prices started rising again during the latter half of the weekend. Overnight, BTC jumped a hair above 12,000 US dollars, cracking through long-standing and established resistances. However, BTC USD prices slid 4% after reaching the $12,000 zone, back down around that 11,500 region. BTC quickly moved back to the 11,700 position, and again Bitcoin bulls are pressing toward the 12K range. Full-time trader Aaron Mancini told his 53,000 Twitter followers on Sunday that he's seeing an excellent rally in Bitcoin. Mancini thinks that the next big stop will be around $15,000 after the crypto asset recently busted through a bullish triangle pattern. BTC broke out of a multi-year bullish triangle with force, Mancini tweeted on Sunday. Bitcoin may be the new kid on the block, but the same old classic patterns that still apply for all financial assets are there. The trend is up with 15K as the next target. The CEO of Real Vision, Raoul Pal, is short on the US dollar and irresponsibly long towards Bitcoin, according to a new interview published this week. Pal is extremely bullish towards BTC, and he thinks it's a better investment than precious metals, bonds, and traditional stocks. In fact, only one asset has offset the growth of the G4 balance sheet. It's not stocks, not bonds, not commodities, not credit, not precious metals, and not miners, Pal said during the daily briefing. Only one asset massively outperformed over almost any time horizon: Bitcoin. My conviction levels in Bitcoin rise every day. I am already irresponsibly long. I am now thinking it may not even be worth owning any other asset as a long-term asset allocation, but that's another story for another day. Raoul Pal applies the economic cycle theory to predict a major disruption of the global financial system, and he believes this will drive Bitcoin to new highs. I think that the stock market is trading hope, and the bond market's trading reality, and the bond market will show us where the stock market will go. According to Pal's interpretation of the economic cycle theory, a sequence of boom and bust periods in the world economy, we are at the bottom of the down cycle, which means there is a high probability of major disruption in the global financial system. The probability is high that we have to move to a new financial system, and that will probably involve digital currencies in multiple formats. Still, Powell predicts that the devaluation of currencies all around the world will pave the way for a Bitcoin price to rise 50 by or 100 by in the next 5 years. In this scenario, Bitcoin has a high chance to become a widely adopted reserve currency. Think of it as your own sovereign currency that you can always go to if your governments are acting bad, he said. The stock-to-flow model is on track. The author of the Bitcoin stock-to-flow, or S2F, model says that at current prices, the S2F model is perfectly on track. S2F shows the price could hit around $30,000 by the year's end, and by August 2021, prices could be $100,000 per Bitcoin. The crypto asset Bitcoin, or BTC, is up over 24% in the last 30 days, and up more than 16% during the last 90 days. BTC judged a 2020 high of just above $12,000 per coin before tumbling 10.9% last Sunday. With the price giving traders optimism, many speculators wonder if crypto assets are about to witness a massive bull run. On August the 1st, author of the contested S2F price model told his 121,000 Twitter followers that the model is on track. I can't make a chart for you now, he's at sea, but the S2F model is perfectly on track, Plan B wrote on Saturday. We're going parabolic, an individual tweeted in response to Plan B's tweet. Plan B's popular editorial called Modeling Bitcoin's Value with Scarcity has caught the attention of the community for some time. There's a chart here, if you take a moment to check that out. This one shows the positions for halving and the different events that have happened since those halving moments, giving us an indication of where people think pricing for Bitcoin will be, aiming towards 2026 there. Bitcoin is almost back in the line that's supposed to bring us to $100,000 1 year from now, tweeted Bit Harrington, an analyst. Remember, the idea or model states that we move around this line, both below and above the line. Plan B also recently changed their model to measured phase transitions of assets like the US dollar, removing its gold backing. The new price model is dubbed S2FX, and it suggests that BTC could hit $288,000 by the end of 2023. Bitcoin's next target. The BTC-USD pair has formed a pennant, which usually acts as a continuation pattern. A breakout or close, UTC, above the pennant will be the first sign that the bulls have gained the upper hand. The target objective of such a breakout is $14,756. It's pretty precise. However, as the overhead resistance of $12,304 is close by, traders can wait for the price to sustain above this level before turning positive. Now that the price has rallied through the 12K mark, bulls will need to provide enough volume to push to new highs above the August 2nd high at $12,122. From a fundamental, technical, and quant perspective, Bitcoin's strength remains intact. The respected traders and analysts in the space remain as bullish as they ever been. Time will only tell where the price of Bitcoin goes, but at the moment, all the signs point the one way. Well, that's our cryptocurrency news for today. You can always go to ainsliewealth.com.au to purchase, sell, and exchange any of our crypto products there. ainslieBullion.com.au for real gold and real silver. If you haven't yet checked it out, the gold and silver standard, so goldsilverstandard.com, to check out our blockchain-backed gold and silver products. Thanks for listening today, and we'll catch you tomorrow.